Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a big Miss A haul or AOA studio. It's kind of the same thing. Basically, if you don't know what it is a website where everything is around $1. I say around because some stuff is like $1.65 to like round off to charity, but most of the items are $1 or sometimes even under. This video, as well as the last one I did with them, was not a sponsor or partnership at all. I just really genuinely love their website because they're super cheap and they have some really nice stuff on there. So my stuff came in a couple weeks ago and I haven't opened it because I was on vacation when it came and then I wanted to wait to film this video. So I honestly forget what I ordered. By the way, I'm filming this on July 4th. That's why my makeup is like 4th of July themed. Okay, I'm just gonna pick in random order. Like I said, I don't know how to categorize this because I don't even know what's in here. So first, oh my god, this is so cute. This is a blender travel case for like a beauty blender. It's like a cat with like paw prints on it. I'm gonna put this pink Real Techniques beauty blender in it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute for travel. Honestly, I don't really bring a beauty blender when I travel, but now I might. Next is a facial cupping silicone massage cup. I don't really remember ordering this, to be honest. Facial cupping helps to energize, lift, and depuff the skin. Apply facial oils, suction the cup to the face. Use slow, sweeping motions, gliding around, and upward motions for radiant skin. Oh my god, it has a pretty good suction for $1. Like, I don't know how often I'm going to use this, but it's definitely there to try out. Also, if it looks like my eyes are watering through this video, they are like so bad for no reason. Every single time I wear makeup, my eyes water like incredibly bad for no reason. Like, please comment down below like if you know why they do that. Like, they look so irritated and red. It literally looks like I was crying, but I promise I'm not. That's like a main reason why I stopped wearing makeup. Like, I only do it for special occasions or holidays now, which sucks because I love doing it. It's just like, it irritates my eyes like way too much. But next are these scissors. I love getting stuff like this from them, like tweezers and like facial tools and stuff, just because you can't go wrong. And I feel like I lose scissors way too much. Like, people steal them because they know I have good ones. These work amazing. I use them for a bunch too. I use them to cut my lashes and stuff. I got these hair styling clips, like super cute. It's a pack of 2. I don't really section my hair that much when I straighten my hair, but I'll definitely use these for when I curl or when I want my hair to look super nice. I also remember getting lots of makeup brushes. I see a couple of those in here, so I don't know which ones, but just some random like flathead ones. I remember I bought these when I was trying to fill up my makeup brush drawer, so I bought a bunch of like eye ones. There's probably like 15 in here maybe. I also got this it doesn't have a name, but it's like a nail art dotting tool. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I've been trying to get a lot more into doing my nails at home because I have like a whole nice nail drawer with like expensive polish and stuff, and I feel like I wouldn't be good at nail art, but like something simple like this, I would be able to dip in some nail polish and make some like cute polka dots. Like, you can't go wrong with a polka dot, right? I also got some more hair styling clips in white. I also got this edge control brush, which I'm not going to be using this for my edges, okay? Like, I just want this to like do slick back ponytails when I want to like tame my flyaways with like hairspray or gel or something. I got this Vaseline Aloe Gel. Like, has anyone ever seen this? They had another one which was like a first aid one. I'll put it right here. I don't know what it's called, but it smells amazing and it's supposed to be really good for like chapped lips and stuff, so I definitely need that. My lips are chapped 24/7. I also got this razor brow set. It comes with like a small facial razor for your brows and then also like one for peach fuzz for the rest of your face. I actually ordered these last time and I loved them, but I lost them, so I reordered them and they were great. I picked up these cotton puffs. They're like super soft for like powder and stuff. I don't know again if I'm gonna use these, but it was kind of just like, that website is like addicting because like you see stuff and it's like, oh, I might use that, so like for $1, why not just like add it while I'm ordering, you know? This is a super cute plastic makeup pouch, and I tried to order this last time a couple months ago, or maybe like a couple years ago by now, I don't even know. But I tried to order this and it was out of stock, and all the other ones were out of stock, and I don't remember getting this one this time, but it must have been in stock and I must have ordered it. So cute. I also got this tanning mitt applicator for your face, which I am trying to get more into self-tanning. I'm tan right now, obviously, because it's summer, so like it's like a natural tan right now from the sun. But after this, I just like love how I look tan. I literally spent a crap ton of money on tanning products. I have a whole tanning drawer in here with like aloe lotion, self-tanner, mitts, and everything, and I haven't used it once since like last year. So this year will be the year, I hope. I got this nail brush for my nail drawer, just like to clean your nails before polishing them or doing them. I got this really cute skincare scoop. It's like for products if you have like long nails and you don't want to like dip your nail in it and get the product under your nails. It's like a spatula to scoop creams and masks, and it prevents germs from entering your skincare containers since you don't have to dip your fingers. Wow, I didn't even think, I was just thinking it was preventing it from going under your nails, but I guess it's more hygienic because like your germs from your fingers don't transfer in your moisturizer and stuff. Then that is very smart. Okay, I think some items I had to just like throw in there to get the free shipping, you know, and it would have been like $5 for shipping. So if I added like 5 more items for $1, like, I might as well get 5 more items instead of pay $5 for shipping for nothing. It's this Paw hand exerciser. Wait, oh, hold on. It's supposed to be a grip strengthener. I don't remember ordering this. What the heck? I guess it's kind of like a stress ball type of thing. Okay, but like when would I use this though? Like, I don't know. I don't think this is for stress relief. I think this is just like a fidget toy, or maybe like to actually strengthen your grip for whatever reason you would want to do that for. I'm personally not trying to get stronger fingers, so I don't know why I got this. I have these 2 liquid liners. They are a white and a pink. White would have looked super cute with this look right now, but I honestly forgot I ordered half of this stuff. Like, I literally don't remember this. I remember I did go on the website to order these like hair clips, but they didn't even have them, so I ended up buying a bunch of different stuff from what I originally even wanted to buy from them. And then I ended up getting like a huge pack of clips on Amazon. It was like a pack of 12 or something for $5, as well as some more tweezers. Always looking for tweezers. Oh my god, I'm super excited about this. This is those like nail gems. Another reason why I got that like nail art brush. They're like rhinestones to spice up like my nails. I don't know how well I'm gonna be at this. I'm definitely gonna try it out and see if it's easy. If it's a hassle, it was $1, so I won't really feel bad wasting them, you know. So like this is the type of thing that's perfect for like a $1 website, because it's not something you use every day, so like you don't want to spend a bunch of money on it. I got a pack of bobby pins, and this is what, a 50 pack? Oh no, this is a 150 pack. Has like bigger ones at the bottom and smaller ones at the top. I also got this body cupping massage silicone cup. Body cupping supports circulation, helps firm and tone. Apply body oil, suction cup to neck, legs, or arm, and gently move in upwards motion. I don't know why I got like cupping stuff. Like, when am I ever gonna like do a cup massage on myself? Like, and then I think this is the last item. And it's this super cute hand mirror. It has like a cat on the back. This is like their logo, which I love their whole theme. Like pastel pink with like a very simple, simplistic look brand logo, like AOA. It sounds kind of high quality and high-end, like AOA Studio. And it has like a cute little cat. I just wonder how they're able to get their prices so cheap and like still make profit, you know? Like, I don't know. So that was it for this video. It was kind of a shorter, like quick kind of haul, but I like showing you guys everything that I buy, especially if it's from a website like this where it's like a one-time type of buy, because you do have to pay shipping. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite product was from this haul, or what is a must for you. Maybe you're into cupping, I don't know, but they got them for $1. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.